Hey friends, it's Brian Czapor with the Chaussinand group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to our latest listing, 1216 Juniata Street, located in the hidden gem neighborhood called Columbus Square over in the north side of Pittsburgh. Let's go take a tour. You'll love the open concept feel in this recently constructed home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an oversized 2-car garage. Thank you for touring 1216 Juniata Street. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact the Chaussinand group with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. Goodbye.